Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to note down what are the most important theory questions that you need to study for the university paper under semester 5 under the subject service marketing. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS M5 student. So here the most important topics that you need to cover up for last moment. Okay, I've made a list of all those questions which are very important. So let us see what are the various questions that are required that you'll need to learn it thoroughly. Okay, chalo, we'll start one by one. First, explain the role of services in modern economy. Okay, now remember all these questions are a mix from all the modules. Okay, but I can guarantee you all that these are the most important question, okay, that you need to cover up first. Okay, and thereafter then you all can go through whatever extra you all want to do, but these are the most important question that you need to first cover up. First one, explain the role of services in modern economy. Second, define services and explain the different strategies to overcome the challenges of services. Third, distinguish between goods marketing and service marketing. Fourth, explain the service marketing triangle with the help of a diagram. And fifth, explain the distinct characteristic of services and its implication. Okay, so these are the first set of first 5 questions which are very important from the exam point of view. You can go through it once and note it down, and then we'll move to the next slide where we'll have the next set of questions. Okay, the next, explain a very important question. Explain the gap model of service quality and state in brief the ways to overcome each gap. Or it can also be asked as explain the different strategies to close service quality gap. Seventh, explain ServiQual, or that is like service quality model, with reference to airlines industry or insurance industry. Anyone can be asked. Next, what is service mapping and explain the 4 lines of service map. Ninth, explain the various unethical issues with reference to service marketing with suitable examples. And the 10th, what is service productivity and evaluate the ways to improve the productivity, or explain different measures to increase the productivity in services. Okay, again these are very important questions. Okay, you all can note it down once and then we'll go ahead and see which other questions are important. Okay, next set. Explain the recent trends in banking sector with reference to innovation. Very, very important question. Next, what is service quality and what are the 5 dimensions of quality? Next, what is transnational strategy and what are the factors favoring transnational strategy? 14th, explain the zone of tolerance with an appropriate example. And the 15th one, explain extended P's with reference to tourism sector. Okay, so these are again the next set of questions. Chalo, I want you all to go through it once and then we'll move to the second last slide which have the important question. Okay, next, X16 question, explain the different components of service blueprint with the help of a diagram. 17, explain the flower of service concept with reference to banking sector. 18th, what are the international and global strategies in service marketing? The 19th, explain the approaches or methods of pricing in services and state the strategies that can be adopted. And the 20th one, explain service marketing trinity with reference to insurance sector. Okay, so these were the next questions. So 20 questions have been covered up. Now we have one last slide in which the last set of questions will be there. Till then you all can just first go through this and then we'll jump to the last slide. Okay, last set of question. 21st, explain the different positioning strategies adopted by the service industry. 22nd, explain the importance of people mix with reference to banking sector. And what is service blueprinting and state the advantages of service blueprinting. Okay, so these were the last set of questions. You all can go through it once. Okay, so these were various questions of the most important question that you need to cover up under service marketing subject. I hope everyone have noted on this question. Okay, chalo, with that we will be ending this video here. Thank you.